Jidhat jaga seng kau Dhwaj Sthapana. Ini kata ka seng kabar tunggu ban pelong kemi ya ka masih bat kumdi ban khang persya ya ka jing bam dok masih hari India. Kim simlan nuit ban hapo Umroh Airport daga jing tu ban wan Shillong. Hadin baka kenuan jik Sengbhalang kentup ya ka seng KSU HYC bat hito. Ba kumdi ka senjuk girang bat senang na po Umroh. Kliator sipo Umroh Airport mata ka Sngi. Hadin baka jing tip baka ni ka kenuan kan hiar hapo Umroh Airport ban wan Shillong. Na kam ban pelong ya ka yatra lan ya ka rally ya ka atrik jong nai ban wan. Nakam taban khot ikipai ba ban persya aru ya ka jing bam dok masih lani ya ka jing syok dok masih hari India. Kenuan jika Sengbhalang kalah hiar mas nyok jing tip ya ka jing thu ban wan jiki ni kenuan hapo Umroh Airport ka lingsun. Bagi latur stai ke jakal nan ka gi banar ka jing pertasla ba dalil likit mailat i ka ni kenuan bakin wan Shillong. Nakilam jiki nangailang jiki ni ram Sengbhalang ba per kilo jing tip bakim shimla pai mata ka Sngi ka ni kenuan raikin abai ya ka tege jaka yo baki wan Lashai lani Sngi. Ini tak ada bagi nak penting kena bagi ni kena poya Shillong kin abai ang teh ke kat lingsun. Iru bahagian ni kajing temu kajing tor jing Sengbhalang bagi temu banwan kini kenhuan yam Hindu hapo Umroh Airport akan lang jiki bawah district kila Khanglad ya kajing para hate airport.
People should not leave Umroh Airport at any cost. We will, our volunteers, our members will be present here along with the people of the Khasi and Jaintia Hills. We will be giving a press statement calling everyone to gather at Umroh Airport tomorrow at 12 p.m. And at the same time, we also urge the state government through the district administration, both of Dhwaj district as well as the East Khasi district. We have not seen any statement given by them whether they have given any permission or not to these people to hold that rally tomorrow. If they have not given any statement, we urge them. We demand that a statement should come forth from both the district commissioner that the rally proposed to be held by this group should be banned in Shillong city, as well as they should not be allowed to enter the local jurisdiction of Dhwaj and the East Khasi district. And we find it very funny to see that the statement of the Chief Minister yesterday or day before yesterday, where he said that the power lies with the Deputy Commissioner in order to give permission or not. We understand actually the Chief Minister is supposed to be the executive head of the state. He is supposed to look after the peace and harmony of the state, but him washing his hands off and putting the blame in the DC is something that is not acceptable. And I think he has seen various organizations has condemned his statement, but at the same time we also want to make our stand very clear that if these people are allowed to enter Shillong tomorrow, if any law and order problem arises, the responsibility will be on the district administration as well as the Chief Minister and his Council of Ministers. We will not be held responsible, and we have made a stand very clear that these people will not be allowed to enter Shillong at any cost. At any cost means at any cost. If anything happen on the way, or if anything happen on the place where they are holding a rally, the responsibility will be of the district administration and the government of Khanglad.
Wan kawi kesur kalong ba kamdai ka ba niwan ban namta juno harai kadai hi namta joki pajba jong kari khasi bi kismiji kaba hakaba tidon kita ki bor man nabar lo persang ban muslia wat habai dei bat kar kum im kar kam bam kum di jingiru namar ngi hi nandu kemen barim musyam ladon hi kano kata ka restriction lane ka jingkhang ba ngi dei bam yo ta ngi bam yo ta ngi dei ban mane yo ta bat ngi mane ta wa hadu menta maneru hakabade bat ya kano kanyam hakalyang jong hari khasi jungi hi yai lai lut bat ngim syam late lakum hiru yanoi noru nakalyang jungi hi kumbang akran mes kemat ba ka KSU hi ka yang namta jong fight ka bring trap kamdei bang yang tang namta ya yalade nane ya kesem ring yang hi namta jong fight bring trap bat kadai klumlang ya baro bat kanai kubor kapeni ya lagade sabar jong ka jalan hapo ka jala ba KSU hi kanyang bat kan yai yele hi ban penek sa ke kata ban berim ulah hikai ba lapin tiengi ban im banyak yang bat kalong renyang ke cungi kibriu bagi danah ne por kasi ngilong kumne bangilong ru
jadi nongwan nong sinyam bawan pra bawan penjat ya ka imlang salang ya ka imlang salang bagi kapis kata kapis kepada po mikhalia di kumtahi tangba katbang idang ya keren hi mentara Sngi panaba kimya wanshu mentara Sngi te antahi ngilai keren bagi district magistrate bagi keluargaan tu ban nakaliang juki kila ai ka assurance ba nakaliang jong cabinet ru kila ayo kata ka order bakindai ban ai ban la ni ini rio shek nyam ani po airport Umroh Meghalaya kinum ai ban lang te nakaliang jong ki ru ti ong ba Lashai lada ki wan ru nakaliang jong ka an kin khang ye ki bat kin khang ye ki bat kinum ai lat bat kin ku ne kin ye pendu ye ki local population te kata ka dei ka assurance nakaliang jong ka authority hanrei kum nakaliang jong ngi ru min wan bait Lashai ba min pen i kata ka jing sha bat ka bor jungi ki khasi ki point ki kon kamay mi khalia ngin wan Lashai bak ngin wan hang ni ban pen i kata ka jing persya ban Khanglad ikini ki rew shit nyam ba wan man khang e ka bam ka di ka nyam ka ruti ka dustur jungi ki khasi ki khara ki kon jong ka pat mi khalia tamta
Yang tinggi ada halo bang Iwan di Sengbhalang buat ngilang concern nak betang kalau lu an order jong kenika airport ang ni ka bahap ko ke jurisdiction jong ka umroi pulun gitu tang katahi ke bana kalian tunga ko munong lam senong dan mapipa kan airport
Cukup menolong sekarang.
aku ini pak kenika isu lang bagi ko social media ngi bakal along ke isu ko klik ha ke jela not east ke ini berkowe tekin ke bana kalian jungi kumkin lam senong tenam barok nam jungi tingi di bam dok mesti di ban onghi ban penbena baka taka mesti ketika kini gitu kita ngimla ban pediang namar ba kumno ya ubri on khana ka mesti ya ubri to khana ubri di nakaliang tini tinggi persya akan dia kata ka jing sembu gitu ki bat ya ke ka banadu hentai kulong kumak ke lebu baka mesti lele ke dok mesti le ketika dok mesti ke batai bahai ka tepat ini ke kumkin lam senong ya ke bi pening sembu persya bat ni air di persya ni kini Sengbhalang namar baki wan ban muslia ye ke bagi long sama suwa ki labu bet akan bi baka bam gedi ke ba kum gajai berpresi nilong hadu mentah hadu suwa hadu mentah
Kumunong ilang
ka bangadon ban pau teng jumpi kan ka pon nakaliang juni kun kino snong ui ba kan ke isu la dan nakaliang jong sarkar kam simkhya bante la kam ui ba kini samla gitu ni kan ka ding kanang pur na ko sing ko ipat ke ka ba kum kino snong ki ba pe ya kasuk kasain ha bidor ba snong gitu ni ha dom bitan gitu ni ka bidon ban ai ka misi saka government lan sarkar kalong ba kin simkhya ha ka di ba isu kanang ba kan ka ding kanom kelang segui pat kisaka iya kan badang don kapor kin sloma bercingkia kanang beginumi ki kijingja ki bakta itu sungsuk sungsai hapo kan ke jelak